Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle is nothing short of a masterpiece, blending art, engineering, and practicality into one innovative design. Imagine riding a tricycle, but instead of just a simple basket or frame on the back, there's a fully functional mini camper attached. This isn't just a concept or a dream, it's a real, physical creation that has captured the imagination of people around the world. Kevin Cyr is an artist and designer known for his unique and unconventional ideas. His camper tricycle is a reflection of his creative spirit, combining mobility and shelter in a way that challenges traditional notions of transportation and housing. It's compact, quirky, and brilliantly practical. At first glance, it might seem whimsical or even humorous, but a closer look reveals the thought and craftsmanship that went into its design. The camper tricycle is built on the frame of a standard pedal tricycle, which means it doesn't rely on fuel or electricity. It's completely human-powered, making it an eco-friendly solution in a world where sustainability is becoming increasingly important. The tricycle is sturdy, with enough strength to support the weight of the camper, yet light enough to pedal around with relative ease. This isn't just a fun project, it's a potential solution for those looking for a minimalist, mobile lifestyle. The camper itself is a marvel of design. Despite its small size, it manages to pack in all the essentials of a cozy living space. The exterior has a retro charm, reminiscent of vintage campers and tiny homes. The interior, though compact, is thoughtfully laid out to make the most of every square inch. There's space for sleeping, storage, and even a bit of relaxation. It's not luxurious by any means, but it's functional and comfortable, a true testament to the art of minimalism. One of the most striking aspects of the camper tricycle is its portability. Unlike traditional campers that require a vehicle to tow them or specialized RVs that need dedicated parking spaces, this tricycle can go virtually anywhere a bike can. Narrow alleyways, pedestrian zones, bike trails, it can navigate all of these with ease. This level of mobility opens up endless possibilities for exploration and adventure. You can imagine riding through a bustling city, finding a quiet park, and setting up camp all without worrying about fuel, parking, or noise pollution. But the camper tricycle isn't just about practicality. It's also a statement piece, a work of art that challenges societal norms. In a world obsessed with bigger, faster, and more expensive, it's refreshing to see something that embraces simplicity and ingenuity. The camper tricycle invites us to rethink our relationship with space and mobility. It asks us to consider what we truly need to live comfortably and how we can reduce our impact on the environment. Kevin Cyr's creation has sparked conversations around the world. People are intrigued by its uniqueness and the possibilities it represents. It's not just a mode of transportation or a place to sleep, it's a symbol of creativity and resourcefulness. It encourages us to think outside the box and explore alternative ways of living. In a sense, the camper tricycle is a piece of performance art, traveling through urban landscapes and rural paths, challenging perceptions and sparking curiosity wherever it goes. While it may not be practical for everyone, the camper tricycle represents a fascinating blend of art, engineering, and sustainability. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always have to come in the form of high-tech gadgets or complex machinery. Sometimes, the simplest ideas can have the most profound impact. Kevin Cyr has managed to take something as basic as a tricycle and turn it into a functional, mobile home that captures the imagination and inspires creativity. Building the camper tricycle was no small feat. Kevin Cyr had to consider weight distribution, aerodynamics, and the structural integrity of the camper itself. Balancing these factors while keeping the design lightweight and functional required a great deal of skill and ingenuity. The final product is a testament to his dedication and craftsmanship. It's a one-of-a-kind creation that showcases the possibilities of combining art and engineering. For those who are intrigued by the concept, the camper tricycle offers a glimpse into the future of micro-living and sustainable travel. As cities become more crowded and environmental concerns continue to grow, innovative solutions like this could play a crucial role in shaping the way we think about housing and transportation. It's a bold vision that challenges the status quo and encourages us to explore new possibilities. Imagine the freedom of traveling with a camper tricycle. No need for gas stations or charging ports. No worries about finding parking or navigating tight spaces. It's just you, your tricycle, and the open road. You can stop wherever you want, set up camp in minutes, and enjoy the simplicity of life on the move. Whether you're exploring urban landscapes or venturing into the great outdoors, the camper tricycle offers a unique and exciting way to experience the world. The camper tricycle also resonates with the growing tiny house movement. People are increasingly drawn to the idea of downsizing, simplifying, and focusing on what truly matters. The camper tricycle takes this concept to the next level, offering a mobile solution that combines shelter and transportation in one compact package. It's a perfect example of how creativity and ingenuity can lead to innovative solutions for modern challenges. Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle isn't just a practical invention, it's also a work of art. Its retro aesthetic, thoughtful design, and meticulous craftsmanship make it a standout piece that draws attention wherever it goes. It's a reminder that functionality and beauty can go hand in hand, and that innovation doesn't have to come at the expense of style. The camper tricycle has inspired countless people to think differently about transportation, housing, and sustainability. It's a symbol of resilience and adaptability, showing that with a little creativity, we can find solutions to even the most complex challenges. Whether you see it as a practical invention, a piece of art, or a statement on modern living, there's no denying the impact it has had on those who encounter it. Kevin Cyr's creation is a testament to the power of imagination and the potential of human ingenuity. It's a reminder that sometimes the most unconventional ideas can lead to the most extraordinary results. The camper tricycle challenges us to rethink our assumptions and explore new possibilities. It's a celebration of creativity, resourcefulness, and the spirit of adventure. In a world that often feels dominated by conformity and routine, the camper tricycle stands out as a beacon of individuality and innovation. It's a reminder that there's always room for creativity, and that even the simplest ideas can have a profound impact. Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle isn't just a vehicle or a home, it's a symbol of what's possible when we dare to think differently. Whether you're a fan of art, engineering, or sustainability, the camper tricycle is sure to capture your imagination. It's a unique and inspiring creation that challenges us to consider new ways of living and exploring. Kevin Cyr has managed to take a simple concept and turn it into something extraordinary, a true testament to the power of creativity and innovation. As we look to the future, the camper tricycle serves as a reminder of the importance of thinking outside the box. It's a call to action, encouraging us to embrace creativity, challenge conventions, and explore new possibilities. Kevin Cyr's creation is more than just a tricycle with a camper attached. It's a symbol of hope, innovation, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. The camper tricycle might not be the solution to all our problems, but it's a step in the right direction. It's a reminder that even small changes can make a big difference, and that creativity and ingenuity can lead to meaningful progress. Kevin Cyr's creation is a celebration of the power of imagination and a testament to what's possible when we dare to think differently. So, whether you're dreaming of a life on the road, exploring new ways to live sustainably, or simply looking for inspiration, Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle is sure to leave an impression. It's a unique and innovative creation that challenges us to think differently and embrace the possibilities of a more creative, sustainable future.